What is trigonometry? Trigon means triangle, and metry means measurement. But as you delve deeper, you'll discover it's more about angles within circles. As the name suggests, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with the relationships between angles and the side lengths of triangles. And the trigonometric functions relate the angles of a right triangle with ratios of its side lengths. Before we dive in, let's review some basic concepts. First, let's talk about basic geometry. Imagine two lines intersecting in an open space, meeting at a single point. We can define an angle between these lines, conventionally denoted by the Greek letter theta. Connecting the lines forms a triangle, specifically a right triangle, where one of the angles measures 90 degrees. The square symbol indicates a right angle or 90 degrees. Now, we can define the three sides of the triangle from the perspective of angle theta. The side opposite the angle theta is called the opposite side. The side across from the right angle is always the longest side, known as the hypotenuse. The side that is right next to angle theta is called the adjacent side. Please note that you don't need to memorize any of these. Just consider these as the lengths of each side of a right triangle. Once you identify the angle theta and the right angle, you should be able to see the slope, height, and baseline. Next, let's redefine how we read and write fractions. You may read and write fractions by stating the numerator first and the denominator later, as you likely learned in school. But let's try it the opposite way. The denominator first, and then the numerator. For instance, h over a should be read as a under h, or for simplicity, a, h. Similarly, h over o should be as o, h. A over o as o, a. A over h as h, a. O over h as h, o. And o over a as a, o. This method offers exceptional speed and accuracy when working with trigonometric functions. Please note that these 6 ratios represent the 6 trigonometric functions, which are simply various ratios between the lengths of these three sides. These are the only 6 possible ratios of two sides of a triangle. Here are their names. It's not necessary to memorize all of them. You can primarily focus on the 3 main trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, and tangent. The other 3 functions, cosecant, secant, and cotangent, are simply reciprocals of the 3 main functions, as we will discuss later. Next, let's review how to write a lowercase letter in cursive style. The letters C for cosine, S for sine, and T for tangent. Now, let's examine how to derive the main trigonometric functions from a right triangle. Here's a triangle with an angle theta, which serves as our reference angle or angle of interest. We have the lengths of the 3 sides. Our goal is to determine the value of sine theta. First, locate angle theta and the right angle. Then, identify the overall structure of the triangle. Next, write the lowercase letter in cursive. Since we're calculating sine theta, write the lowercase letter s in cursive style over the triangle, starting from angle theta. First, climb up the slope, then go down the height. Finally, complete a fraction. Place the first side you encountered in the denominator, and the second side in the numerator. Now, you should know the value of sine theta, h under o, or simply h, o. What about cosine theta? First, locate angle theta and the right angle. Then, identify the overall structure of the triangle. Next, write the lowercase letter in cursive. Since we're focusing on cosine theta, write the lowercase letter c in cursive style over the triangle, touching angle theta. First, go down the slope and then follow the base. Next, complete a fraction. Place the first side you encountered in the denominator, and the second side in the numerator. Now, what is cosine theta? H, a. This time, tangent theta. First, locate angle theta and the right angle. Then, identify the overall structure of the triangle. Next, write the lowercase letter in cursive. Since we're working on tangent theta, write the lowercase letter t in cursive style over the triangle, starting from angle theta. First, walk along the base, and then go up along the height. Next, complete a fraction. Place the first side you encountered in the denominator, and the second side in the numerator. Now, what is the value of tangent theta? A, O.
Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and prepare to record your answer. When you're ready, unpause the video and solve the problems. Climb up the slope, go down the height. 5, 3. Next. Go down the slope first, and then follow the base. 5, 4. Next. Walk along the base, and then go up along the height. 4, 3. Next. Climb up the slope, go down the height, square root of 2, 1. Next. Go down the slope, follow the base, square root of 2, 1. Next. Walk along the base, go up along the height, 1, 1. Next. Climb up the slope, go down the height, 5, 4. Next. Go down the slope, follow the base, 5, 3. Next. Walk along the base, go up along the height, 3, 4. Next. Square root of 2, 1. Next. Square root of 2, 1. Next. One, 1.